see the aimless. I don't want to be one of the nameless.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today we're checking out the Stereo BT speaker. So this is a wireless speaker. LED flashing lights, a couple things, working range up to 10 m, working time 6 hours it lasts. Speaker output 5 watts, 2 speakers. So yeah, let's go ahead, check this out, connect it, see how the quality sounds, let you guys know if it's a, ooh, that's actually pretty sick looking. I actually like that a lot. Let's get some more lights on here so you guys can see this thing a little better. So you got your, check out the speakers in there. That's nice. Speakers in there. Nice, stylish design. Power button, your mode, plus minus, color setting right there. On the back here, you have a spot for a TF card, AUX port. They also provide you with the power cable and AUX to AUX, so you can plug this into your phone or any AUX jack. Plug it in here. You got a USB port in here as well. Pretty sweet. Let's go ahead and press and hold the power button.
Bluetooth mode.
Kicks on. So we got a lot of colors lighting up. We'll check out these features here. So it looks like you can have the colors on, you can have them off. We'll turn out the lights so you guys can see. It looks like you got different patterns by pressing the light button. So just different color modes. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and connect to Bluetooth. So under your device, make sure you go under your Bluetooth settings, whatever device you're using. Click pair new device, whatever you guys are going to pair. And it should come up SB sent. That should come up. Make sure you click pair and allow it. Alright, it's now connected. So we're going to play some copyright free music. So see you guys in a bit. Let's turn out some lights and see how this thing looks.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless. A sea of the aimless. I don't want to be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Alright, so that mode that we had on only plays, only shows the color when it's actually on. So as you saw, there's different modes that you can go through, different setup. There's white. I know it looks kind of purplish, but it's actually white. Overall, so the bass is actually better than I thought. So I had reviewed one of their other speakers before, and this one, the bass is definitely a step up a little bit. It definitely sounds better. The bass on this one is really cool. The other one was actually pretty cool. I still give the other one a 4 to 5 star rating. This one, probably about 4 to 5 star. I like the design, I like the style, the color's nice. Everything about this is actually pretty nice. So I do like this a lot. So yeah guys, definitely cool, definitely functional, definitely works good. You can set it at different angles as well. So, if you want to have it up, out to the side, behind, straight up, you can. It's It's actually pretty cool that you can set it, angle it at different positions, however you want. Overall, it's a nice portable Bluetooth speaker. I like it.